Alright, Blade. Today you're gonna learn something new. I am gonna teach you how to fire a gun.
Fire a what?
How to fire a gun. Is something wrong with that?
Nah. It's just, why am I doing this?
So you can get used to the new world. Things don't really work with swords and spears anymore. Wars revolve around guns now. Just, here, take it.
Eddie, are you sure about this? This doesn't look safe to me, man.
Oh, come on. You'll be fine. Just give it a go. Oh, hey, are you alright, Blade?
Dude, this is stupid. Where would I even use this knowledge? I have literal powers. I can use them to fight back.
Listen, whether you like it or not, what's the point of giving up on it, Blade? This isn't about you having powers. This is about you getting used to the real world.
Fine. I'll shoot it, alright?
Oh, wow, that's great. Now, how did you do that?
What do you mean? I'm just a fast learner, you know? Speed's my whole thing, after all.
Yeah. I don't think I'm believing that, Jit. You sure you didn't cheat?
What? Of course not. Why would I cheat? I don't have a reason to cheat. Like, I did this by myself.
Shoot the gun again then, right now.
Fine. Man, you know what? Nah, see you.
Whoa,
Nah,
whoa,
fuck
whoa,
this
whoa.
shit.